All right, guys, welcome. And thank you for taking us up with the core signature series training. I think it's absolutely a great opportunity for you guys to learn the core principles of internet marketing. And obviously, there's other topics as well that we want to cover just to help you guys a little bit further. So I've got a little bit of an offer for you. It's the I Am Signature Series Elite training courses, which give you access to an additional 20 internet marketing topics. In total, that's over 100 plus videos and actually over 12 hours of training in total. Now, these courses will obviously, if you take us up on this offer, will be added instantly to your membership area, so that when you go there now, you'll see that all these courses are there ready for you guys to access. So as I mentioned, there's over 100 professional training videos. There's over 12 hours of training in total. And we cover actually a total of 30 plus different course topics around the internet marketing space. It's by an elite coach and trainer. You know, we at Webby Touch only want to use the best trainers, obviously, that are out there. And then, like I said, we've got the membership area and the community for you guys to be able to access this course content from wherever you are and whenever you like, and from any device. So that's kind of the goal there, so that this is fully accessible to you guys at all times. Now, as a bonus to this, we're going to be giving you additional courses each and every single month that will add into the membership area. And this course content will actually change a little bit from internet marketing. Will also include some of the soft skills that you need. So business development, personal growth and development, and stuff like that, that will help you in your business as well. So time management, project management, and all that other kind of good stuff. All right, and we also give you an optional add-on. So if you want to download these course videos to your hard drive for whatever reason, if you prefer to have them locally on your desktop or laptop, and give access that way to virtual assistants or staff members, or just because you don't want to be connecting over the internet the whole time and trying to stream these videos, we give you that option as well, which is a pretty awesome feature as well, I think. So like in the core topics, we covered 10 different core principles of internet marketing, topics around affiliate marketing, recruiting and banner advertising and email marketing, geo-targeting, hiring and outsourcing, lead generation, the marketing automation stuff, messenger marketing and newsfeed marketing, and also paid traffic, if that's something that you guys want to get into, which I highly recommend you do. And a lot of people seem to be really afraid of paid traffic. There's a science to it. You just got to understand how it all works. And once you get into it, it's pretty easy. But then again, you don't have to do everything in your business. So you could have someone run your paid traffic for you. So I just want to make sure that you guys understand you don't have to do everything in your business, but it's important that you do know exactly how to do these things. All right. But as part of the Elite series, we're going to be including bridge pages as well. Now, Facebook doesn't really like us to direct link out to affiliate marketing offers, affiliate programs, multi-level marketing, network marketing, whatever you want to call it. So we have to have bridge pages. We'll teach you how to create a bridge page, which essentially just takes people off of social media platform to a sort of, exactly what that is, a bridge page. That just has a little bit more information, maybe captures a lead, captures the email, helps them make a decision. And then from that point onwards, pushes them over to an affiliate offer of some sort. So if you don't control, if you don't control that part of your business, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you don't control that. You want to still capture the lead. It's always an important aspect to be able to do that. And it's essential to Facebook marketing and stuff like that, because they don't really like that. And same goes for Google AdWords and those types of things. So we talk about business acquisition, and that's buying and selling sites, I guess, on Flipper and other platforms where you can buy businesses that have already established customer base. We talk about cold calling, which obviously isn't for everybody. I don't really do a lot of cold calling, but we teach you how to do that anyway. And then there's creative solutions, creative design and development, We talk about e-commerce and drop shipping, which obviously is massive nowadays, and especially in these days and times, e-commerce and drop shipping probably even more so. Funnel building, key as well. And I know I use the term key very often, and most of these topics, in fact, all of these topics are key to your success online, because there's so many different ways you can do things. And if you don't know how to do them, you simply don't have those opportunities that some of these big marketing companies have out there. And it kind of limits your success. And we don't want to have you guys be limited in any single way or form. So funnel building is massive in my opinion. You don't really need a website anymore. Websites really distract people from taking an action that you're wanting them to take, which is obviously to submit an email address. And yes, there's ways to do that, but essentially, unless you're a blogger, I don't see the benefit of creating websites anymore. If you want people in your business buying things and giving you their money, so to speak, then you want to take them through a journey of, taking their email address, giving you the email address, and then having them go through the funnel to take a number of different actions, buy different products, and obviously you take them along a journey and what we call a value ladder to get them to buy more stuff from you. And you build a relationship, more importantly, with them over time, because that is essentially the goal, is to build a tribe and build relationships with these people. And I use that word very lightly. I don't mean these people. Our customers are our friends, and they're real people that we need to care about and take care of. And then, we've got some LinkedIn advertising and marketing, which obviously key. LinkedIn's massive. Depends what type of marketing you want to do as well, but we teach you that anyway. And then you got the e-learning, the learning management systems and platforms out there. If you want to put your stuff online, Udemy, a couple of other ones out there that I can think of, Thinkific, and a couple of other ones that allow you to put your courses online. We show you how to do that as well. And online freelancing, obviously, if you want to sell your services or buy services as well, like sites from Freelance and Fiverr, show you exactly how to do that as well. So it's outsourcing. We show you exactly what to do and the questions to ask, and where to find the right resources for your business. And if freelancing is something that you want to get into, then that's also an opportunity for you to learn how to do that. All right, so we talk about Pinterest marketing. Obviously, Pinterest is massive. And then we get into the real cool stuff of search engine marketing, search engine optimization, which obviously is a little bit more trickier nowadays. I think Google's made quite a number of changes to the look and feel of their SERPs, so the search engine results pages. So I think SEO is changing somewhat. We teach you, a little bit around search engine optimization. That essentially is a real long process, but it's really worthwhile in the end. And then we talk about social media marketing, which obviously is just self-explanatory. Split testing, key to the business as well. If you're not split testing, you're not really seeing what's really working for you in your business. And I know split testing for a lot of people is a painful process, but like I said before, guys, you don't have to do everything in your business. We like to do what we like to find the who we have do the things that we don't really want to do in our business. And I know that takes a bit of money, but you'll get to that point where you can just get the who's to do the stuff that you don't want to do and the stuff that you don't know how to do. All right, so split testing, yeah, not a fun topic. I'm not really into that too much. I have people that do the split testing stuff for me. I do a lot of the design and development behind the scenes stuff in my business. And then a lot of the social media marketing and all that kind of good stuff. All my podcasts that are transcribed, and all the videos that I do and shoot and upload all gets done by somebody else for me in my business. And those people actually went through this training. I made them go through this training. because it covers off everything that I need them to know about what I do in my business. And all of these things play a big part in your business in one way or another. So as long as you have someone that knows how to do all of this, you don't have to worry about it. But the key thing is that you know how to do it, so that you can explain it to them, or you can do performance reviews and make sure they're doing things correctly. Twitter marketing and web design concepts. All right, so quite a number of additional topics to cover in the Elite series, and I'm really, really happy to be able to offer all of this stuff to you guys at a really reduced rate, and we'll get to that in a minute. So honestly, this is your chance to learn internet marketing the right way. There is a ton of information out there. I haven't really come across anything that really has everything in one place. I just want to learn the topics in a sort of sequential manner and learn sort of the principles and the ground foundational basic stuff that kind of gives me an overview of what each topic is about without doing deep dive into each one. I can then choose to go off and find sort of more advanced training, and we'll get to that as well once we get into the membership areas. Obviously, we are going to be helping you guys get to a place where you can find additional, more advanced training in each of these topics. But for now, this is just a way for you guys to get started the right way. So, like I said before, it's ideal for virtual assistant training to help in your business, and a value add for new hires as well, because obviously you want your new hires to be able to feel like they belong in your business and that you care about them and that you want, obviously to help them develop themselves. And then, like I said before, we'll add additional courses each and every single month. Won't all be around internet marketing, but there will be a ton of really, really advanced stuff that's more along the soft skills of personal development, and also the soft skills around business management, project management, managing teams, being a manager, being a leader, all the good stuff that you really need to do as an all-rounder in your business. And that's key to the success of your business and your brand. Don't forget that you are building a business and a brand, and those two things are separate and different, okay, in the way that you present yourself online. But they're key to the way that you are positioning yourself in the internet, online and offline world. So again, why so cheap? Obviously, I really want you guys to have the same opportunities to be able to afford and access all of the training. So the core and the elite training. And I don't want you to have to go through the pains and hard lessons that I went through. A 15 to 20-year learning curve is not pretty at all. It's not fun. It's years of stress. It's years of, having issues, not always being successful, but also having lots of ups and downs and trying to figure things out the wrong way because you're following the wrong people and you're chasing these shiny objects and you're just really not getting anywhere and taking the right types of action. So through this elite training series and the core training series, we can sort of help guide you guys in the right direction as well. So I'm really looking forward to being able to do that. So I don't want you to waste a ton of money or face the amounts of hardship that myself and my family have gone through over the years. And I can write a book about those. And, at some point I will be talking about my backstory and origin story of how I got started and why I am where I am today. And we'll cover off that as we build a relationship together. And I'll really look forward to doing that. So the sign-up process is really simple. It's instant lifetime access to the membership area, the community. It's a small one-time fee. It used to be $197. It's $97 now. You get all the training. You get additional training each and every single month. You get access to me. I've been around the block, been online for 15 to 20 years. Right back in the very start of the dot-com days when I was doing dial-up, I was actually selling internet access, dial-up internet access as an affiliate for a company out in Canada. So I've been around from the very, very start almost. The Mark Joyner days, the guys of the internet where you could just put up a landing page, drive some traffic and sort of double your money almost instantly. Those days are gone. There's a lot that you guys need to learn and understand. but it still follows the same basic principles, still follows the frameworks that have been around forever. And as long as you learn how to do all of that kind of stuff, and I'll be able to present to you guys once you get into the inside a program that I've just finished, that's going to help you guys tremendously as well. And the entry fee for that is simply crazy. The low entry to, yeah, I don't want to get too much into that. I don't want to stray too much away from what I'm trying to do here, which is to get you guys into the elite training courses, and then I'll be able to help you further. I'll know that you're serious about your business and serious about yourself and serious about your online journey, and then I can at least be able to help you that way. The core series training, like I said, is also really, really good. So you don't have to take this. Obviously, I'd like you to be in an advanced set of customers, but certainly if you don't have the $97, I totally understand. We'll look at maybe trying to give you guys some additional courses either way. But if you've got the $97 to sign up for the elite training, I would do that now. It's quick and easy. I know it's over 12 hours of video content, but like I said, you don't have to learn every single thing. We've broken down each course actually pretty nicely so that there's 4 videos in each topic. One is the intro video, and then there's 3 sort of different discussions around each topic. And you can basically go in and choose which ones that you want to have a look at. All right, so have a look, jump in with us, and I look forward to helping you guys on the inside.